Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered how we'll farm and live on Mars? Let's take a journey into the future of humanity on the Red Planet. First up, farming on Mars. Picture this. Vast greenhouses filled with crops, shielded from harsh Martian radiation by high-tech domes. We'll use hydroponics and aeroponics to grow food in nutrient-rich water and air, eliminating the need for Mars' rocky soil. With Earth's experience in sustainable farming, we're already halfway there. Living on Mars isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. Future Martian colonies will be buzzing with life in self-sustaining habitats. Imagine homes with walls that recycle air and water, powered by solar and nuclear energy. These habitats will be smart, eco-friendly, and designed to support human life for generations to come. Getting to Mars will soon be as common as flying across the globe. With advancements in space travel tech, journeys to Mars, the Moon, and even Venus will become incredibly economical. SpaceX, NASA, and other space agencies are working tirelessly to make this dream a reality. Our connection with space will evolve. Space stations will serve as pit stops, refueling and resupplying spacecraft bound for distant worlds. These stations will be the new crossroads of human exploration, bringing Earth and space closer than ever before. So, what's next? The future of human life on Mars is bright and full of promise. From farming innovations to advanced habitats and economical space travel, we're on the brink of a new era. It's an exciting time to be a space enthusiast. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more space exploration updates. Until next time, keep looking up.